Good morning. Beautiful day here in Palmetto, Georgia. Checking in at 7E Sales. Even got the moon up there behind us. Anyway, got a 2023 Pete 389. This one here's a perfect logging setup on it. We've got a little bull bar on the front. Got a little tow hook on it, set up on it. Full lockers, PACCAR power. Let's see here. Virgin rubber. Actually, it's set up all the way around. And it's also got that nice extended cab. Get you inside there in 1 second to kind of see how that looks. But the extended cab gives you plenty of room. Again, tall rubber, 11Rs, virgin rubber. I've got disc brakes all the way around. Quarter or half fender sets here. Let's see what we got inside here. Digital gauge. We got 291 in the miles, and this is what I'm talking about with the extended cab. Storage in the back, everywhere else. Full gauge package, and you got full lockers. Give us a call, 678-466-9231. My name is Walt. I've got a few of these available. A little bit of everything available. 7E Sales, Palmetto, Georgia, 678-466-9231.